Hey there, we're back with a new workshop series. Today we're going to be making your own DIY face mask. Seems appropriate that we should be making our own masks so that if you have any medical grade masks at home that you can donate them to the local hospital or medical facilities. And the kind that we're making are not medical grade, but they're great for you and your family for around the house. I'm going to upload the pattern that I made for women and teenagers, and then I have another one for men's and another one for children. I'll upload those to mabelthefashionmuse.com so you can download those, print them out, cut them out, and make your own pattern.
So basically you can use any fabrics from old t-shirts or pillowcases or just even like fabrics laying around the house to customize it for your own, and it's like unique and yours. And
yeah, you basically want to have a fun fabric for the outside so you can make a statement, and then the inside could be any sort of solid based 100% cotton fabric. I'm also backing the face of the fabric with a weft fusible. If you don't have this, it's no big deal. You don't really need it. I'm just using it because it creates a little bit of a filter as well as gives the fabric a little stiffness so it keeps its shape. The other thing you'll need is an elastic, a 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch, something that we can sew to go around the ears to fasten the mask to your face. If you want to go crazy and put a little trim around it, you can do that too. But we're going to do our first one in this Hawaiian bark cloth fabric that I had laying around. I cut 2 of the self and then 2 of the lining, which you then will cut the fusible as well. All the directions will be up on the website as well. Next step, after fusing your fusible onto yourself, we're going to sew it on up. Let's go. You're going to sew right sides together along the curve, a 1/4 inch from the edge. And you're going to do the same thing for the lining. Put right sides together, sew a 1/4 inch from the edge. Next step, you're going to do an edge stitch along the center seam for both the self and the lining to give it a nice clean finish. Then you're going to take right sides together, lining and self, and line up your center seam and start pinning the top and the bottom. And as you're pinning the lining to the self, you want to fold over the ends of the lining a 1/2 inch so that when we turn it right side out later, you'll have a nice clean finish. Next step, after sewing the top and the bottom, you're going to turn it right side out. Next step, you're going to do an edge stitch along the bottom and the top of your mask for a nice clean finish. Then we'll work on the casing. You're going to fold over the edge a 1/4 inch and then insert your 1/4 inch elastic and fold it over another 1/4 inch and do an edge stitch. And you'll be able to fasten your elastic to fit your ear by tying it in a knot. So we're back and we finished 2 face masks. I would say each one took about 20 minutes, not very long at all. Kailani had to adjust her elastic a little smaller than mine because she has a little smaller head. So that's what's great about the elastic. You can just tie it in a knot and size it to yourself. But what's cool about these is that they're also reversible. So if you get sick of the pattern, you can turn it around and look at the other pattern, or if you want solid black, they're reversible. And we're all ready. Should we do one more where we're just like...